engineering. There are actually 24 number of PhD faculty members in addition to non-PhD faculty members.
CUI campus offers a wide range of activities for students. We have fully equipped cricket and hockey stadiums, tennis and badminton courts. In every semester there is a planned and dedicated week full of extracurricular activities. These activities include Bali nights, ghazal night and other concerts.
We have been ranked in Pakistan at the second number, and we have a very good faculty as well as facilities, due to which we have been ranked at this position. Moreover, our number of publications, patents and research facilities are at par with any other university in Pakistan. We also would like to invite students to look at our website and find out for themselves if they are interested in joining COMSATS as a student. Look up the facilities, the ranking and the faculty as